After no interaction. What? You've been silent and made her miss you. But now comes the most crucial part. If you mishandle this phase, your efforts could be wasted. In this video, I'll show you how to make her seek you, reignite her desire, and cement your status as the high-value man she can't resist. Stay with me. This is the game changer you've been waiting for. Section 1. Why no contact is just beginning. No contact starts a purposeful process, not the end. Imagine resetting the chessboard. By withdrawing, you've made her think about you. Your next step will determine whether she chases you or walks on. Many men assume no contact is the plan, but it's only a tool. Without proper follow-up, its impact fades. Consider that she's undoubtedly experienced an emotional roller coaster without interaction. Your quiet may embolden her, making her think she's won. With time, skepticism seeps in. Thoughts of you being gone for good make her think about you more. If you break the silence weakly or desperately, you undo all that progress. This makes your next move crucial. It either reinforces your high-value man status or destroys it. Remember, no touch lets her experience life without you. It sparks curiosity, but your actions nurture it. This is about proving your worth and showing that your absence wasn't a response, but a choice. A man who realizes his worth always plans. Now, execute it. Section 2. Observe her first moves. After no contact, her actions will betray her intentions. Watch what she does, not simply what she says. Does she text unexpectedly? Is she liking your social media postings or posting at you? These are hints. The trick is to avoid snap judgments. Consider the situation carefully. She tests the waters by sending a casual "hey," which may appear minor. She wants to know if you'll answer right away or have moved on. Patience becomes your superpower. Slow reactions show you're not easily swayed. High-value men evaluate, not haste. She can disclose herself in silence. She may not be over you if she doesn't reach out. Women sometimes imitate you to see whether you crack first. She may be waiting for your initial move. Spend time on yourself instead, then panicking. Stay calm and strategic, knowing that her initial movements are simply the tip of her mental game. Section 3. Reignite the attraction. After opening the communication door, softly reignite the spark. This doesn't include extravagant gestures or messaging. In truth, less is more. To remind her why she was pulled to you, do it naturally. Start with a neutral, confident response. If she says, "Hello," you could say, "It's been a while. How's everything?" That works great. You appear approachable but not eager. Do not discuss serious themes or the past. Keep the tone fun and fascinating. She should feel comfortable talking to you without pressure. Most guys make the mistake of trying to resume their previous relationship. Avoid this. Instead, demonstrate your growth. You may have started a new pastime, reached a goal, or changed your life. Show her that you've changed. This growth revives attraction and changes her view of you. Section 4. Build curiosity. At this time, curiosity is your best friend. Her curiosity will grow as she learns less about your activities. You shouldn't disappear. Just be judicious about what you disclose. Post a photo of yourself trekking, attending an event, or working on a project. These subtle updates show her you're having a full and exciting life without her. But be careful not to overdo it. Posting too often or blatantly pursuing her can backfire. She should be intrigued without feeling like you're seeking approval. Curiosity helps in conversations. Don't divulge everything when interacting. Give her just enough to keep her interested if she questions about your activities. The more you leave to her imagination, the more she'll ask. Section 5. Keep the emotional balance. Maintaining emotional balance after no touch is difficult. Reconnecting is exciting, yet many guys fall short. They become too open too quickly, destroying their no-contact efforts. Maintain a constant emotional state to avoid this. Do not let her behaviors control your emotions or replies. Your approach should be similar, whether she's passionate or distant. Stability conveys confidence, security, and trust. Emotional equilibrium requires boundaries. Don't get upset if she brings up prior fights or tests your patience. Respond calmly and assertively to demonstrate emotional control. This maturity boosts your value and sets the tone for the partnership. Section 6. Let her prove her value. No communication worked, but the story continues. When she reaches out, men's worst mistake is elevating her. This time, no. This changes the relationship dynamics. She must establish her worth. Relationships are strongest when both parties invest equally. Without touch, the odds favor you. She's missed you and may have questioned her decisions. You can make sure she knows your worth now. How to? Subtly, but decisively. Avoid being extremely available when she messages or calls. Respond purposefully. Do not immediately meet if she asks. Say, "Let me check my schedule and get back to you." It's about respecting your time, not being dismissive. Focus on her actions while you engage. Is she trying to reconnect? Has she shown she values your time? Take another step. If not, you're irreplaceable because you've shown you can leave. Let her know that she must earn your company. Section 7. Be the man she can't replace. Walking away meant giving oneself room to grow, not just distance. Showcase your growth now. Women are drawn to purposeful, independent guys. These qualities make you unforgettable and assure that no one can replace you in her life. Ask yourself, how have I improved myself without contact? These changes, getting in shape, advancing your profession, or trying new hobbies, are for you, too. However, she will notice. When she sees your transformed self, she'll realize something significant. Your loss would be rare. Subtle growth is your friend. Mention a new project or hint to recent accomplishments. This makes her regard you as a dynamic, forward-thinking person. Energy like that is magnetic. This is strong because it gets into her deepest fear. Losing someone she can't replace. By striving to be your best, you reaffirm your uniqueness. Section 8. Stay in control of your emotions. After a break, reconnecting can be emotional. When she reaches out, you may feel excited, but most guys allow their emotions rule them. Stay calm and in control to preserve authority. Imagine her riding after weeks of stillness. Your first reaction may be to respond instantly with everything you want to say. Resist the impulse. Breathe and consider what reaction fits your long-term goals. Remember that you're developing a relationship based on mutual respect and emotional balance, not just winning her back. Staying in control means responding carefully and staying calm. Be calm, even if her messages sound emotional. Be confident and show her you're not easily shaken. This emotional stability makes you more desirable and sets the tone for the partnership. It will appear to her that you are calm, confident, and capable of handling obstacles. That uncommon quality is hard to resist. Section 9. Create a vision she wants to be part of. Reconnecting is creating something better, not just rebuilding. Visionary men attract women because they know where they're heading and what they want. If you can show her a future she wants to be part of, she'll eagerly pursue you. First, define your goals. What are your goals for the next year, 5 years, or 10? A clear life vision attracts the appropriate people. When you share your vision with her in a sincere conversation, she wants to follow your mission. Discuss your business or passion with enthusiasm. Show her your passion and goal. This is about showing her that your life has direction, with or without her, not just impressing her. The beauty of this method is that it changes everything. She'll want to fit into your world, not the other way around. This establishes strong alignment and makes the relationship feel like a partnership rather than a chase. Section 10. Never forget your worth. Never forget your worth during the post-no contact time. Self-respect meant leaving and not talking. They demonstrated to her and yourself that you value your time, energy, and emotions. Every future decision should be based on self-respect. Not every woman will value you, and that's okay. It matters that you notice. If she won't compromise or restore the relationship, leave again. Remember that you want someone who values and respects you, not just someone who wants you. Self-esteem attracts. Self-confidence attracts people. Not only do you want her back, but you also need to keep your standards. This ensures that each relationship is based on respect and gratitude. Maintaining your self-worth protects you from harmful relationships and sends the message that being with you is a privilege. She won't forget that message. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you clarity and confidence, like, comment, and subscribe for more relationship and self-growth advice. See you next time.